How to fix can't comment on TikTok. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you're not able to comment on TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right into the video. So if you are unable to comment on TikTok, then there might be a few reasons why. So if you have recently been notified about your activity on TikTok saying that it violates their community standards in a certain way, then you are not able to comment on TikTok. And in that case, all you have to do is wait for a certain time for them to lift the ban on your comment. But what you can also do is try to reach out to them on their help and support team. So go to profile. Tap on the menu icon and head over to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. And then from here, you can see all of these available options that you can choose from. Just tap on Submit a Report and write here that you'd like to be able to comment again and it was a mistake, you didn't do it on purpose. Or if you think you didn't do anything, just tell them that you didn't do anything wrong, and then you should be able to comment in a few hours after they have responded to you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.